What's up, pizza punks? It's Missy, and today, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be doing a little first look slash first little tour of my new apartment. So if you didn't watch the video that came before this one, go check that one out, because this probably will be like, what, you have an apartment now? Go check that out. It'll be linked somewhere up here. There'll be a little bubble that'll pop up. Go click that. Go watch that first. That'll make a lot more sense. Anyway, so because Alec and I are still moving in, we obviously don't have all our furniture. I'll talk about that once we get to those rooms. Things obviously aren't all put away right now, and it's still coming together. So my house is still a little messy, so you're gonna have to just deal with that. Let's go take a tour. Okay, so I'm standing in the corner of my living room. This is what you see so far. That is our furniture for at the moment. We actually go pick our couch up on the 20th. We had to have it special ordered for some reason, and so we're using some wonderful chairs at the moment and a futon mattress as a couch. This is our coffee tables and our end tables. I just have to put those together in a little bit. And there's our TV. Alec has a giant TV, and he's putting together a really nice surround sound for that. We have really nice windows. There's lots of nice big windows here. There's our cute lamps and a fan. This is supposed to be the dining room. See all the crap that we still have to put away. But what we're gonna do is put a curtain. Let me back it up. Put a curtain up here and make that into Alec's little man cave area. So that's what this is gonna be. Just make an extra little room out of that, because we're not gonna need this big of a space for a dining room. This is what you see when you first look out our little windows. There's another apartment complex across the street. My neighbors probably think I'm crazy just looking out the window with a camera. Going in here is our kitchen. It's a very large kitchen compared to what we used to have anyway. And we're gonna put our table and chairs over here. That's why we don't need our dining room. This is kind of like what you see outside. We are on the bottom floor, but you can't tell. I mean, we're not underneath the ground looking. But yeah, this is our kitchen. It's got lots of storage. It's actually fairly large. Like I said, it's a lot bigger than Alec and I's old kitchen. I picked this up yesterday. Isn't this wonderful? So I can stay organized and know what in the world I'm doing half the time. And we have a dishwasher, and I was so freaking excited over this dishwasher because we've never had one, and it was just so nice. Coming out is our hallway. Let me turn a light on. That is just a storage closet. It's got our towels and stuff in it. And then the first door here is our bathroom. And my bathroom is all sharks. Look at how cute the shower curtain is. And the rug is a shark, and I love it. Hello. For some reason, they put the mirror for the bathroom 30 feet in the air. Luckily, I'm not extremely short. It is so high on the wall. It's crazy. Coming out here, we got 3 doors. First one here is just a closet. They got our vacuum cleaner and some coats and stuff in there. And then this door is my craft room, which is very messy. So this is gonna be my craft room. This is what I gotta organize and fix up today. See, look at this. This looks like trash right now. I'm so sorry you have to witness this. But this is gonna be my craft room. This is probably where I'm gonna film all my videos from now on. Maybe get a cool backdrop. Wait, we can probably see my car out this window. Let's go take a look and hope and pray that the neighbors aren't out there to see me. There's my car. Say hi, Carlos. Oh crap, I tripped over a pillow. Okie dokie. Now, our bedroom, which is semi put together, still a little messy, so sorry. So here's our bedroom. It's gonna be horror themed, so I have Stranger Things bedding. I bought some cute decorations today to hang on the walls, but there's that. I'm getting a mount for my TV today, so then that can be up higher and not just sitting on my dresser with all my crap. And I got this really cool little vanity, which is that thing, and I'll show you guys that another day, but it lifts up and it's got all my makeup and stuff in it, and it's really nice. You wanna look in my closet? It's actually not that bad. So up top is all of Alec's shirts. He owns 7 shirts. I feel bad because this whole row is all of my shirts, and I threw half of my shirts to the Goodwill. This is downsized, and I still own way too many shirts. Sorry the lighting's a little off, but I just bought this bed yesterday. Oh my god, it's so comfy. It's like a cloud bed. It is so freaking comfortable. I don't know what I was sleeping on any time before this, because this is heavenly. My other bed feels like shit compared to this. This is beautiful. I love it so much. But that's our apartment so far. Still quite a bit of stuff to do. I got to organize the heck out of my craft room. That looks like crap right now. But you guys got to see it. So many of you have asked me can we see your apartment? I want an apartment tour. And well, here's as close to an apartment tour as we're gonna get right now. Now, once it's completely done and it's all organized and pretty and we're all settled in, I'll do like an actual official apartment tour. It'll be like MTV Cribs style, but that's it. I love living here. It's so fun. There's only 6 people per building. There's this building, and then you've seen the side of the building out my kitchen window. There's only 6 like houses in each of those, so it's very quiet. My neighbors probably hear me right now and are wondering who in the heck I'm talking to this way, like. But that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my first apartment ever, and it's nice. I love it. It's not perfect, it's not luxurious, but for being my first apartment, it's awesome. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Have a super duper fantastic day. Oh my god! I was getting ready to end this video and I thought this was a fake spider. This thing is real. It looks like one of those ring spiders. What the heck do I do? Oh my god, that thing's going to eat me alive. That thing's like the size of my big toe. Let me see if I can get my hand close to it. If I die, I love you guys. Look at how big this thing is. What in the heck do I do? I can't squish it. That's too big to squish it. That would stain my carpet. Oh my god. They told me I cannot have pets at this apartment, and that thing on the floor right there is bigger than a cat. I need to like go get a pill bottle and like scoop this thing out. Oh Jesus God. No, 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 it went in the chair. My fake couch. It's under my fake couch. I was gonna sit on this. There it is. Oh my god. Oh my god, I caught it. I thought I was gonna die. Like, I'm not terrified of spiders, but whenever it's that big and I don't know how long it's been in here, I'm gonna go let it outside very far away from my house so he can't come back and live with me, because I'm sorry, if he's not paying rent, he doesn't get to stay here. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for sticking around to watch me chase this spider all over my living room. Oh my god, this was awful. Bye guys.